These are 10 bucks. 10 bucks. Now, we do know one thing. If you want to look attractive,
yo, we're doing it again. Yes, I'm gonna remember my everything free store? Yeah, we're about to restock this store. Today, I'm gonna give you 3 attractive outfits from 3 different stores. Now, I'm gonna do it a little bit different though, see? Yes, you can get it for free, but to get it, to enter, last time, it sold out in 30 seconds. So I want it to be fair to everybody, so you're gonna have to watch the entire video because we're gonna drop a code word somewhere along the video. It's gonna be on the screen, and that's the code word you're gonna need to enter the site so you can purchase anything you want, free shipping, and free cost. Now, here's the cool thing. We're gonna start with the 3 fits. All 3 fits are under 200 bucks each. We're going to Walmart, we're going to H&M, and we're going to Pacsun to build these attractive outfits. And
starting at everyone's favorite, H&M. I got to think attractive. What makes a man look attractive? Obviously, a turtleneck, especially merino wool. Yo, talk about money, structures your jawline. You look smart. Here's the problem with H&M. When you go to like a nice side, each piece will cost like 150, 200 bucks, and our budget's 200 to stay under $200 for the whole fit. So that, no can do. The good part is that you need to know when to shop. See, I'm shopping right after Christmas. The whole entire store is almost like 50% off if you shop smart. Now, we do know one thing. If you want to look attractive, dress pants always do that. But right now, the move is lounge dress pants where they look like dress pants, but if you can tell, they're made out of a sweatpant fabric. So this fit, it's not only gonna be fire, it's gonna be comfortable. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Look number 1, of course this look looks attractive, bro. So one of the trends that I focused on with this one was that luxury comfort, right? So a trend that you'll see is that you'll see dress pants or sweatpants that look like dress pants, but they're as comfortable as sweatpants. This is a move that I believe everyone should try because when you pair it with refined pieces like a turtleneck, you don't feel as stuffy. See, the turtleneck levels everything up. It structures your jawline. You look money. And if you wanna add extra style points, yo, add a minimal necklace like you see here, and of course, some frames. This will just level up your fit. And these frames are from our brand Jade Black. These are our blue light blocking. These are our new gold aviator frames. These have been selling like hotcakes. And the cool thing with this is that the blue light blocking technology allows you to wear these frames all day long, and they serve a purpose. They block the digital blue light that your device, your phone, your tablet, and your computer emit, so your eyes stay safe. And of course, we topped it off with a top coat because it's winter, but this type of look, you can do it with or without a coat, and it's gonna look good. Let's keep it rolling.
And now we're in Walmart. Well, this is gonna be actually pretty easy. Easy because I'm gonna be able to hit the budget. Hard because, well, I gotta make it look good. Let's go. All right, here's the game plan with Walmart. I'm just gonna follow what they're best at. See, most people come to Walmart to buy workwear clothes like Carhartt, Wrangler, Dickies, all that you find here. So workwear, coincidentally, is in style. So this actually might not be that hard. I'm gonna do like a cool ass workwear fit, a little bit oversized on purpose to make it look good, and hopefully it doesn't look like we got it at Walmart. Let's do this. At first, I think I want like cargo pants. Cargo pants are in, and they're also workwear, so let's try that. I'm like on the money, bro. I promise you I did not come here before this video. See, when you're shopping, you just gotta understand where you're shopping and what they're best at, and try to bring that out. Here's a cool little thing if you didn't know about Walmart. They have this brand called No Boundaries, which actually looks dope. This is an oversized washed fit, only 8 bucks. It's a pretty cool streetwear look already. Yo, this is gonna be like 20 bucks, bro. And then to top it all off, you can never go wrong with the flannel. And since this is all about workwear, you can find a crap load of flannels here in Walmart. These are 10 bucks. 10 bucks. Complete fit. 39 bucks, yo, you can't beat Walmart.
Yo, this is outfit number 2. We went for something a little bit more oversized, more of a workwear aesthetic going on here. And again, this is why it makes you look attractive, right? You look a little more relaxed, not so stuffy. So we went with the super thick overshirt, which again, once you start layering, it just makes your outfits more complex. Underneath, we have an oversized fit tee, which is a long sleeve, which again, it has that washed out look. It looks more expensive because it's actually in style right now. And then to top it all off, we got some loose fitting cargos. These, in my opinion, cargos have just always been looking good these last 1-2 years. So anytime you use cargos in your fit, just know you're gonna look better. You're gonna look a little more attractive. And then to top it all off, obviously accessories matter. I still kept my minimal necklace, and these are unreleased Jade Black, boys. This new collection's about to drop next month, February 27th, so mark your calendars. But here's the cool thing. We're starting an influencer program, meaning you yourself could be an influencer. Every time we have a launch, we've worked with over about 3,000 influencers already. And you could be that as well. Yo, some of the people that are in our influencer program have made like $3,000, $2,000, $1,000, and you could be an influencer for Jade Black as well if you want to be. I'm gonna leave a link or a video to a link down below. This is kind of like how we work with influencers, and again, you could be that as well. And if you don't want to be an influencer, you just want sick frames that are gonna make you look good, yo, click that link down below, check our collection for Jade Black, and also put a reminder on your phone for 10 a.m. Eastern, February 27.
Next one, we're going to Pacsun. Okay, so for Pacsun, we're gonna do attractive, but we're gonna do comfortable attractive. And there's nothing sexier on a dude than sweatpants for a woman. We're gonna make an outfit off of sweatpants. Let's do it. How about sweatpants with a glam? I like that.
Finally, boys, outfit number 3. Again, ultimate comfort. But we pulled out 2 style trends in this singular outfit. One, we added a mock neck collar, which is extremely popular right now, especially in these like oversized loose fit tees, which is like that perfect balance between refinement and streetwear. I love it. And then on the bottom, sweats. Gray sweats. We already know, yo, gray sweats on men, it's like leggings on a women. Women, they thirst trap over them. So when you throw them on, of course, it makes you look more attractive, bro. And then to top it all off, our black rimmed Italian acetate Jade Black frames, of course, blue light blocking technology, which, yo, these are only $49 and they'll level up any fit you throw on. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. And like I said, if you found that code word, all of these 3 fits, they're gonna be completely free in our everythingfreestore.co. Also, if you guys wanna check out our influencer program with Jade Black, there's gonna be a link down below that's gonna give you all the information so you also can become a Jade Black influencer and make some extra cash on the side. That's it for me today. See you next time.